corporate insolvency resolution process. I told you earlier also the whole IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, has been divided into 4 parts, and they have said till some 6 months back there was only this regulation for corporate insolvency. It was not for individuals. Now in February they have started for insolvency of the individuals also. Now if an individual does the default, then he can be taken to IBC also to DRT. For individuals it is DRT, for corporate persons it is NCLT.
Understood.
NCLT is National Company Law Tribunal, and the appellate is Appellate Tribunal. So CIRP is Corporate Insolvency Resolution process. If the defaulting company is a company, then the process is CIRP and the adjudicating authority is NCLT. The duty of resolution professional is to only document the resolution plans which has been filed by the resolution applicant. It can be, there can be 2, 3, 5 resolution applicants and resolution plans for the distressed company which is under CIRP. All those 5 resolutions, the resolution professional will prepare, will have a summary of those resolution plans, and after taking an affidavit from the COC members that they will not disclose the details of that resolution plan with anybody, it is shared with them. And in that meeting where this resolution is being discussed, the resolution applicant is also allowed to make his presentation on the resolution plan which he is trying to give for the company. This IBC is the sole purpose of IBC is to keep the company going concern. So when we say going concern, that means the employees has to be there. The employment will not go away. The creditors will, whichever creditors are there, will get some sort of money from the company. And it's not that the company will get shut down and the assets sold out to the third party. The contents of the plan, it has been given in the IBC, the regulation itself. It says it should talk about the company's details, the promoters' details. They have not been convicted, and how how they plan to give money to the creditors of the company, and how they will keep the company as going concern. So those are the main contents of the resolution plan.